Welcome everybody. We have an interesting question. Foremost, we need a quarter circle. Okay, and we need OC. Okay, this is 90 degrees. Now, this is the information that is being given. Now you can pause the video and you can try this question out. Okay, I hope you all have got the answer. Now, foremost, this is a very important observation. Now, you see this region CD. CD is part of a chord. Okay, that is making an angle of 90 degree with another chord. Now, if you were to extend this chord, okay, so foremost, what I would do is I would complete this circle first, quarter circle. Okay, so figure is not to scale, so this is just an approximate translation of the question. So this point is the center. I'm going to extend it. So we have this. Now the idea is, if I were to extend this chord, then this chord will subtend an arc of 180 degrees. Because what is the reason? Because it makes an angle of 90 degree with another chord, AD. So that is the all important property that will come in handy. Okay, so this is the point D. So with that being said, if I were to take this as R, this is also going to be R. Okay, fair enough. Now what I wish to do is I would like to connect A with C. Okay, connect this point A with C. Now clearly AC will be equal to A dash C. That is a very important observation. Also, we have CDA to be a right angle triangle. So this means we can apply Pythagoras theorem, right? So what is the Pythagoras theorem? We will apply AD squared plus CD squared is equal to AC squared. So AD squared is 4 squared, CD squared is 3 squared, AC squared is required. So from here AC squared is 16 positive 9, which is 25. So AC is equal to root of 25, which is 5. So this is 5 units. Now if you were to observe here, AC and A dash C will be equal. Okay, so by the element of congruency, so this means A dash C will also be equal to 5 units. Okay, now we have got that, but our requirement is to get OC. Now what I wish to do is I will consider triangle A dash D A. Now this is a right triangle, right? You see that? This is a right angled triangle. So this means A dash D squared plus AD squared is equal to AA dash squared. Okay, we can do that, right? So this is already given to be as 5 units. So A dash D squared, 5 plus 3, 8 squared, and AD squared is 4 squared, and AA dash squared, that is nothing but we are looking for that. Okay, we will just place that like that. So this is going to be AA dash squared is going to be 8 squared is 64, 4 squared is 16, 64 plus 16 will give me 10, 7 and 8. I'm going to write this as say 20 times 4 and 4 times 5. So this is going to be 4 squared times 5, which means 4 times root 5. This is my A dash. Okay, this is my A dash squared, but this is A dash. We are taking the square root. So this entire length is 4 into root 5. That means this is going to be 2 times the root 5 and 2 times the root 5. So now what we are going to do is we are going to, this is clearly 90, right? So now I'm going to use this part of the space. Okay, consider triangle. What is the triangle we can consider? We can consider A dash OC is the right triangle. So this is going to give me OA dash squared plus OC squared is equal to CA dash squared. But we need OC. So OC squared is nothing but CA dash squared minus OA dash squared. Now this is going to be 5 units, right? So 25 negative this is going to be 2 root 5 squared. So 4, 5, 20. That's going to give me 20 there, and you have a 25, and this will give me 5. But this is OC squared, so I need OC. So OC is going to be root of 5 units. So that's a solution for this question. So this distance is required, so root of 5 is a solution for this question. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.